Hey guys, it's Tanya from 4 Girls Jewelry. I start to do the video and my dog got crazy because somebody knocked at the door. So I have to refilm it again. So today it's stop. So today will be all about organic shapes. I will share how I create these earrings. So I will use copper for this tutorial. That's what I started, so I guess I have to start it from the beginning again because of my pup. So we will use 30 gauge copper, and we need 3 strands for that, for this project. I like it because you can use these organic shapes when you create. It's a braiding, but you put beads in there, and I think you can use it for any shapes you want. You can decorate your edge of any project you use. You can definitely add it to your projects, right? It will look more complicated, and it's a simple edge. So definitely need probably like 6 inches long. Let's see. Yeah, we'll use like 6 inches long. And I don't cut anything. It's like 3 of them together. Just basically 6 inches will be definitely probably enough for my earrings. So what I do is I separate 3 of them. Like each of them need to be separated. And what we do is like just secure wires here on one side and another side. So I basically just wrap it around main one. And we need it to start. So for this project I will use my labradorite bead and also some freshwater pearls. That's why I'm using 30 gauge, because 30 gauge my pearls very drilled, there's a tiny drill hole. So okay, so here we have one bead, and I will go, it doesn't matter from what side you started, because we are left-handed, right-handed. I will start from this side always. So first wrap will be from this side. So I go around my bead and that way. So now we have like 2 wires sitting this side, and I will just go around the bead and this side. So we have something like that, just 2 wires around one beautiful labradorite. Now we use pearls. So I will put on each side 1 and 1. And so again, I use the side, so I'm going, hold it, going around the main wire here, 1, and then this side, and we have them stitched to the base, and we needed 2 more, 1 and 1. You can use any beads you want, any beads you want. Okay, and again I use this side, so I'll go around they both this way, and then this side, and again we have something like that. Now I will cut this part, and we will use our stick. So this stick, it doesn't matter, it depends on your project. Mine is a little bit more than 2 inches long. That's I create earrings from out of these, but it can be longer if you're planning to make a pendant. So you just add, so you take your your side here and just attach. I will attach with the middle first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut, nicely push the wire, make sure it's sitting nicely, and then you attach with these 2 side wires too. Just make sure they are very nicely sitting, hugged into your other wires. I actually like it that there is a bunch of them. It looks cute on the finished project. Very organic. Okay, down here, and I will push this all the way where it's supposed to go. It could be more curved, less curved, depends what your idea is. So we have these. Now I like to go with the main one around my stem. So this is the one that was holding all the it's the middle one, right? And then we have those still 2 legs. I didn't do anything with legs, so they still not crossing anything, only the main one. And I will put my labradorite here. Let's see, where is that? Okay, and I keep going same way. So I started from this, going around this way, going around the bead, and this way, and I keep going with my pearls. Let's add some pearls. Let's clean this quick. Okay, so I need 2 and 2. So I need 2 and 2. That's 4 of them. Let's put them. So we'll just add 1 here, 1 here. Oh my goodness. Okay, started from this side, around, again, put more. This will be interesting to see if you use different shape of the beads. I think it will look even more interesting if the shapes of the beads like different cuts. And at the end I use my labradorite. Big, I don't know, it also depends what, because see how I did these, I have labradorite on the bottom, then those, then I twist and I put 1 labradorite, 2, and 1 labradorite. But it's also depends on your design. You don't have to do exactly same. It's just idea, guys. I try to motivate you to pick up your wires and try to create something unique. Okay, so these guys here, let me sure. That's why my hands always horrible, because I use my hands like a tools. That's embarrassing. Okay, okay, so what is, if you want to push this to the bottom one, like more, make it more dense, you can. And here we are. So then again, you just attach these several times, 4 times, wherever you want, cut, and oh, it's nicely blended now. I can't even find the 10 one. Oh, it's here, right? Gosh. Okay, and then these guys, I like to put it on top. So let me see, the last wire, and that's how I create my organic edge. So, and then you can play. You can squish it all the time, all the way down, so you can create more of the like you can see you can manipulate that, right? I love it. I hope you guys like it too. So you can manipulate and make it looks like very organic. Isn't it cool? I think it's really, really cool. I love it. I hope you guys will like it. So you can manipulate and make the way how you want it to sit. So it could be actually a very beautiful pendant if you use larger stones and with maybe you know, I was thinking to use different shapes. So eventually I will play maybe something with this. We'll see how that will sit, you know. Different one. It's all about playing. And sometimes if you play with your beads, it creates amazing edge for your project. So I think I will still develop this more and maybe even use it with my frames, like with the different frames, and attach something to it. Could be creating more lacy pieces, you know, something more. I don't know, that's just a thought, and I thought I will share with you guys so you can take that and incorporate in your complicated or not complicated pieces. The thing that I want to share today, that's basically it was basically this idea, but I was thinking also to crochet, because I also crochet this piece. See how I added I add a little crochet piece here and added labradorite on top. I thought that also cool idea for those who know how to crochet, because it can add beautiful backing for any of your jewelry eventually. Something you can put it on top, any beads on top, looks cool. So it's for today. I hope you guys like it. Please share my videos. I always start to say that at the end of my videos, share, because I see the views dropping, and it's very alarming for me. I thought, you know, if you guys share, it will be amazing. I know it's a lot of knowledge in my channel, and people can benefit from that, to just see what I'm doing, my ideas, and incorporate in your ideas, in your jewelry. Thanks guys for watching. Have an awesome day, and I will see you next Tuesday with some beautiful idea. Also, if you want to see something, give me idea what you guys wanted me to film. If it's more I don't know, rings, earrings, necklaces, ideas, links and chains, whatever. So now that I can actually do it, because sometimes even today I start to play with crochet actually, and then I switch to this bubble idea. So I never know what I can film, because it's just come to me and then I just film it. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you next time, and support. Thank you guys. Bye bye.